Hello guys, it's Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today I'm bringing you a 2021 Volkswagen Atlas SEL R-Line. This particular one is Pyrite Silver Metallic with a black leatherette interior. It features the 21-inch R-Line wheels known as Brazeltons, the much more aggressive front end with piano black treatments down below, the new Volkswagen logo, LED running lights, LED headlights, LED all-weather lights. Keyless entry on 4 doors, R-Line badging on the front 2 doors. Silver roof rails, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, easy kick open hatch for that liftgate. Chrome exhaust tips at the back that are split into quads. Even though they're fake exhaust tips, it's a quad exhaust tip on the back. Or it's quad exhaust tips on the back. Piano black treatment down below. Trailer hitch is standard. LED tail lights. New Volkswagen logo on the back as well. This has adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, front assist, and rear traffic alert as well. As we look inside, you'll see the 3-seat memory right here. Lumbar support up here, forward and back right here, and then your seat back adjust right here. It's a white stitch on the leatherette seats right here. So climb in here, I'm going to turn this fan down a little bit. Power door locks, power windows, one touch up, one touch down on those windows. Window lock right there. Automatic headlights with all weather lights as well. You do also have a coin box for storage right here. And an adjustable steering wheel where you can pull out on that, push in, raise it, lower it, lock it in wherever you need it. It does have a flat silver finish on the spokes for the steering wheel now with a hint of piano black right here. R-Line logo here, the new R-Line logo for 2021 right here. Chrome covered pedal caps down there, chrome colored right down below there. This new steering wheel also has the sportier grip for the R-Lines right here, the dimpled grip at 9 and 3 right there. Flat bottom leather wrap steering wheel otherwise. Volkswagen's digital cockpit is right here. So you can actually change to have nav in the middle there with the dial screen, the wide screen, and then a crop screen there. I got out of sync there. Also, you can change when you have this crop screen here. You can actually do different data inputs here. So you can have different things show you, like your radio station, time since last start, average fuel economy, and miles empty, what have you. You can edit that and change it up as well. On this steering wheel, everything's still the same as it was in 2019 and 2020, with the exception of the heated steering wheel. It's now on the steering wheel up here instead of down over by the climate control. Volume controls right here. Cruise control settings are right here. Your safety features, including lane assist, rear, blind spot monitoring, rear traffic alert, and front assist are all accessible right here on the steering wheel. And they've also added this little button on the tip here where you can do it here as well. For your radio, it's an AM/FM satellite radio, which comes complete with App Connect, which allows you to do Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or MirrorLink, as long as you're connected to one of these 2 USBs right here. Also, there's an auxiliary port there and a 12-volt charger port there as well. Push button start right here. Your drive modes right here, you have snow, you have your normal, eco, sport, and custom. Then you also have off-road and then off-road custom. Off-road custom is going to allow me to tweak different things on the drive here while I'm off-road. I can turn things on and off, make them normal, sport, or just turn them off or do eco. All kinds of cool things there. Backup camera is going to be pretty nice as well. I have trajectory steering. Turn the wheel left or right. The yellow line moves, the green line stays put. Red line signifies where the bumper is. I do also have electronic parking brake. I just lift up on that to put it on and push down on it with my foot on the brake to take it off. Over here, instead of doing wood grain, they do a carbon fiber pattern here. CD player is still in the glove box, along with an SD card reader here. One's going to be for your navigation data, one's going to be for your video and music. Extra holders right there for extra SD cards, and then your manuals and seatbelt protectors right there. Here's a look at that key fob right there. Super nice, super comfortable. Armrest right here. with the USB port in here that gives you 3 up front. Plenty of storage here for a large purse or a medium-sized purse. As you look at that leatherette seat, both of these seats are heated. This is a dual zone climate zone up front with a 3rd zone in the back. So you can actually control it from up here. Also lock out your rear passengers from messing with it. And then you have something called air care. Air care is your air filtration system that's going to filter out the cabin air before it circulates it in the car. This little blue line expands and covers the entire cabin. It works really well. I had a customer who was a smoker who was outside smoking a cigarette. I opened a door to speak to her while delivering another car to another customer, and they were a non-smoker, and the smell of smoke just absolutely just came flying into the car. We turned this on and it removed the smell instantly, literally instantly. I wish I had a video of it. It was so amazing. So anyway, that's a great option to have. AM, FM satellite radio. You also have MirrorLink right here. It's MirrorLink, HomeLink mirror right here. Has 3-door garage door memory down here at the base. It's auto dimming with a compass there. That is not a standard item. This one just happens to have it. There's a look at your vanity mirror with the light above. You have one on each side, just like that, with an LED light. Super nice that it does that. Your Carnet features are right here. Carnet is free for 5 years. Information, roadside assistance, and SOS services right there. Your roadside assistance itself is actually free for 3 years or 36,000 miles, not the full 5 years. However, you do get other Carnet services free for that 5 years. There's a look at that power sunshade. It goes all the way back and uncovers the first 2 rows of seats. And then you have this panoramic sunroof that stacks on, this pane of glass stacks on that second pane back there. You have a pop-up windscreen right here, so that's a nice feature as well. Let's take a look at the back seats here. This one comes in at $47,725. The extras are going to include the auto-dimming mirror for $325, monster mats for $285, and $200 for the cargo cover in the back. Now this one is a bench setup. We don't get many of these, but this is the bench setup. This is a true 7-seater. So you have car seat hookups over there, latch hookups there, latch hookups in the middle, and latch hookups here. So you can actually have 3 car seats in this middle row. You do also have an armrest with a cup holder right there. And to access the 3rd row, this is really important. This is what sets the Atlas apart from other cars, is the fact that I can actually get into the 3rd row with car seats in this row. So if you have front-facing car seats, not rear-facing, front-facing car seats installed in these seats, I can just lift up on this handle right here. That seat pitches forward, the bottom drops out. I don't have to remove the seat, just remember to remove the kid. The whole bench tilts forward and slides forward, and now my passengers have access to the 3rd row. Those headrests flick up with the flick of a wrist right there. Notice how high off the floor the seat sits. So a 6'4" customer is not going to have a problem getting into the car. Let's see here. Here's a look at your climate control right here. 2 USB ports down here. 3-prong plug-in right there. As you look up to the front, there's your center console. Instrument cluster right there. And look up at the giant panoramic sunroof. Very nice space in this car as well. Look at how much leg room I have here. I have clearly 6 inches of leg room space right here, and now below the seat here I can just lift up and slide forward. Now I'm still not touching this seat. I still have a finger's width of space here, but I've given the people in the back a ton of space. If you look at how much space I've moved forward here, lots and lots of legroom space back here. Lots of legroom, lots of headroom. The roof is sculpted as well. Each one of these cars comes with, from the SE up, a sunshade right there. So you have babies in the back, you keep the sunlight off of them. Let's take a look at the back seat, or the back hatch. There's a look at those 21-inch Brazelton wheels. Now this is an easy open hatch as well. So if the car's not running, you can kick your foot, as long as you have the key, and open up the hatch. There's a look through from the back to the front, the giant panoramic sunroof, the center console, the instrument cluster there. This is a true 7-seater seat. These seats will fold flat. There's a look at my drill. I had to put a license plate on the car. I just got this car. Rubber mats here. I'm gonna lay that drill down there. Underneath the floor right here, there's a carpeted section here, and underneath this guy here, you just remove this wing nut here, and your spare tires underneath there. Cargo covers right here. And there's a look at the front license plate bracket. It's not installed on the car. We do that on request. As I pull up on this seat here, I can put that back in place. There's Velcro straps there to handle that. There's seat belt clips on the side to keep your seat belt out of the way of cargo when you load cargo in a car. There's a 12-volt charger there. There's 17 cup holders in this car, and there's also the look at the C-pillar vents there and there, and a look up at the front. As we close this out here, there's a look at your trailer hitch at the base. 7-pin adapter will be needed to get you ready to go on the road. This car comes with a 4-year, 50,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty on it from Volkswagen. That's 4 years, 50,000 miles. I'll go around to the other side where the sun's not shining on it so much. 4 years, 50,000 miles. That comes with 2 years of free maintenance. Your 10, 20, and 30,000 mile oil change are covered by the dealership. In actuality, Volkswagen's going to give you 2 of those for free. So if you're flying in from out of town, you can go to your local dealer and get those first 2 oil changes free of charge. That third one is on us, Bommarito St. Peter's. You'll have to come here to redeem that one. But also, if you buy from me at Bommarito St. Peter's, you're going to get a 10-year, 200,000 mile nationwide engine and powertrain warranty free of charge. No additional charge for that. 10 years, 200,000 miles. So if you're interested in this car, please give me a call, 636-290-4257, 636-290-4257. I'm on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook at Reese Sells Cars. Please ask for me if this video has helped you in any way. If you call in at a dealership, please ask for Reese. If you do an internet inquiry, please mention that you're wanting to work with Reese. And if you stop in at a dealership, please ask for Reese. Any questions at all, please give me a call. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.